Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a highly requested video, which is a tour of my makeup collection. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get into the video. To start off, I just want to mention my makeup studio is never perfect, it's never clean, it's never the way that I'm gonna want it to be at the moment, just because I go back and forth so much from college and I'm taking things and moving things and finishing new products and getting new products, so it's always gonna be different, and I'm working with it to kind of get it to slowly be exactly how I imagine it in my head. But I really like my studio. It's definitely my creative space. It's my little therapy bubble. So I really like it, and I'm excited to be able to show you guys kind of what you don't see on camera. Just know it's never perfect. So it's messy. There's a lot of stuff going on, and I'm excited to give you guys the tour and show you kind of where I find my products, where I put my products, and little hacks that work best for me to use while I do my makeup. So let's get into it. Okay, to start off, I have these IKEA Alex dressers, which have a ton of drawers going all the way to the floor, and they have thinner ones on the top and then thicker ones down on the bottom, and I have two of them. That way I can hold a lot of my makeup, and I have a lot of my makeup still on my desk, and I think my goal is to be able to completely free my desk so that I can set up a monitor. But for the time being, I have a lot of stuff still on my desk and a little bit more organizing I need to do in the drawers, but that's okay, we're getting there. So I'm gonna run you through first what is in my drawers of my Alex drawers. First off, this is what my studio looks like from an outside point of view. I have my two Alex drawers, my chair in the middle, and then I have two umbrella lights and a ring light, and then a bunch of stuff lined up on my desk. And this is where I do my makeup. These tops of the Alex drawers I use as backdrops for when I am filming, which means that I can decorate these personally to how I want them to look for a specific video or a specific season. Right now I have a 5 Seconds of Summer poster, which was a gift for my birthday, thank you, Will. And then I have a PR box from Morphe. I won this, I didn't actually get PR from them, even though I wish, and maybe one day we'll get there. So these drawers are fully floor to bottom. Also, I have these cute rugs placed sporadically in my beauty room so that they keep my floor nice and warm for me. But to start off, on the top, on this side, I have one first row of my palettes. So I have some Madison Beer palettes, a Jeffree Star, Morphe. This is all my Morphe Jaclyn Hill, Icy Fantasy, 35B Lisa Frank. This is my little stack for that, so I always know where those are because these are my most used palettes. And then I have my Jaclyn Hill Vault and a KKW Beauty here. I have a Huda Beauty here, Rare Beauty and Natasha Denona here. And then the next drawer is another drawer of palettes, but this one's a little bit more chaotic. So I have Kylie in here, I have more Morphe in here, I have Anastasia, Naked from Urban Decay, Huda, more Morphe, Fenty, I have ColourPop, I have all sorts of stuff in this drawer. So this is kind of my less organized eyeshadow drawer, but both my drawers are kind of filling up. I might need to open up a third one here pretty soon. Then this drawer is going to be all my powders. This one has a lot more space in it, but I have Fenty, Jaclyn, Morphe, Airspun, two of them that are different shades, KKW Beauty, Kylie, LA Girl, and Morphe. This is the pink, brightening pink powder. This is phenomenal. If you don't have this, you should get this. Even if you don't have a pink skin tone, it's amazing. This is my lash drawer. So I have my Morphe lashes. I have Velour lashes. I have Lily lashes. I have Ritz. I have Ardell. I have House of Lashes. I have Himalaya lashes. And then I have my Flutter lashes here as well. So my lash drawer is definitely my most satisfying to like pack it all in, which I really like. And I'm excited to get more lashes so I can hopefully like fill the rows. Next, I have all of my face palettes, so that includes Jaclyn Hill Flash Palette, highlighters, bronzers, Dragon Beauty pressed powders, blush, bronzer, all sorts of blush palettes, my Natasha Denona one that I got from Sephora. So these are all my face extra big panned palettes. Next, I have my setting sprays, my primers, my body shimmers and everything. So this is a Fenty body shimmer. I have my KKW Beauty body foundation. So I have all sorts of stuff in here, but for the most part, it's setting spray and primers and just anything to do with the body and making a good finish on your skin. Next, I have this drawer, which usually has my sunglasses in here, but it's kind of low right now because I'm still unpacking from college. And then here I have extra bags, so like makeup bags that I'll put in here, which is the same thing in this drawer. And this has my brush set, but I have a lot of bags in there. I literally have 4 of the big drawers dedicated to makeup bags because I just have so many of them, but they're so helpful when traveling or if you have to pack little stuff like jewelry. So I usually hold on to them, even though I should probably start to get rid of some of them. But you guys saw an orange bag in there, and that's an orange Morphe fanny pack, and it is so cute, and I am literally waiting for a concert or something like that I can wear it to because I got it for that specific reason. So I'm excited about that one. But let's head into this Alex drawer and see what's inside of this one. This has a bunch of random jewelry in it, but I'm not gonna leave it like that, so I will show you guys that drawer later when I finish it, but I think I'm gonna put lip liners and lip products in here. So I will keep you up to date on that one. This one has some of my highlighters and blushes. So I have some iconic Rare Beauty. I have these Morphe blushes and eye shimmers, jelly eye shimmers, and then some more Morphe Rare and Jeffree Star highlighters. So I'll typically try to fill this with highlighters and blushes because this is very pinky drawer for sure. Hopefully Morphe comes out with more shades of these products because I love them. They're so cute. Next is kind of like my extra drawer. This is extra products that I have. So I have an extra Jaclyn Hill brush, maybe some gifts for people. So this is my little extra drawer. This drawer has a lot of my foundations, concealers, pencil sharpeners, so lip liner sharpeners, eyeliner sharpeners, extra mascaras and glitters and stuff. So we have some contour sticks, all concealers in here, and a few foundations extra in here. This is my skincare drawer. It is stacked full of skincare, and I go through this drawer decently quick as I do face masks and stuff, so it is definitely, I think, my most transition drawer, going through skincare products and then adding different masks or eye patches and stuff like that. So love this drawer. This is my Holy Grail drawer for sure. This is my candle drawer. I know this is so random, but I have candles in here and then like coasters if I ever have people over to film and stuff and we have like, I don't know, get Dutch or Starbucks or something and we want to set it on the table. That way it doesn't stain. This is actually a Morphe candle. Super cute. It smells really yummy. It smells like berry. It's super cute and I'm really excited to light it. I'm waiting for a special occasion to light that though. And then down here I have all my hair products. So I have these clips to hold makeup back. I have headbands, headscarves, scrunchies, all of that in this drawer. So all my hair products or hair accessories go in this drawer. And then this has lotions, perfumes, sanitizers, stuff like that. Just kind of miscellaneous lotions though, like ones I won't keep in my bathroom, but if I'm filming and I feel a little bit dry or want to put some lotion on, I will stick it in this drawer. And then this is another bag drawer, so it's just kind of filled to the brim of bags and other little goodies in that. Okay, so that is everything in my Alex drawers. They're not the most organized, but we're slowly getting there for sure. It's a lot better than before I had those drawers at the beginning of quarantine. I got the little organizers in there from Amazon. Super easy to find in there, a lifesaver. I really like them. I love the Alex drawers. I think they're super useful and they're very clean and they make good background setups. The desk is a little bit chaotic for sure, but I still have a lot of open space to work with. So I guess we'll start from here and move our way that way. So on this side, I have this huge jar full of lip products. So I have lip glosses, lip plumpers, all sorts of stuff from random brands. And that is something for sure that I would like to be able to move into the Alex drawer. So if I can find some organizers and I can correctly store my lip products other than just in a big jar, that would be perfect, but I am definitely still working on that. I have these 2 big tubs from Morphe that I put all my brushes in. So these are my eye brushes and these are my face brushes, and I will often clean these and then put them back in here. Plus it's nice for going back and forth to college. I can kind of have these hard cases to protect my brushes. Back here I have a few perfumes. I have the Nikki perfume. I have not sprayed this on me in so many years, but I just love the vibe of her, so I put her there. Rachel got this for me for my birthday because I love my angels. And then this is Rachel, my best friend. She's going to be featured on the channel very soon. This was my first dog, Jackie. She passed away my junior year of high school. I miss her a lot, but I always have her here with me. This is a little box that I will put my dirty brushes in, or brushes that I've used on other people if they stop in really quick for a touch-up or something. I will put this on them. So this is my clean brushes. Any of these clear ones are usually like, you need to clean these brushes. So I have another one here and another one here that I need to clean my brushes. This, again, is one of those messes that I want to avoid and get rid of. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section. This has extra foundations in it. I have Morphe lip products, more lip products, some MAC lipsticks. These are all lipsticks. These are all glitter eyes and some extra glosses. These are all eye pens, so like for your waterline and stuff. These are all lip liners, and this is actually full. So I kind of want to move my lip liners into my Alex drawers in one of those long organizers. So I'm definitely going to be working on creating space for that. This is my Jaclyn Hill lip products, my Kylie, and then one of my Jeffree Star ones. These are brushes I need to wash, and then this is a box of all my sponges, and I'm pretty sure all but a few are clean right now, so I need to go through and clean the rest. This is something I definitely want to be able to move and get rid of because it doesn't even match with anything. It's just like a random rose gold one. But it has all of my mascaras, eyeliners, and some eyebrow pens in here. This is definitely my go-to, like finishing up the eye drawer. This has my P. Louise bases, eye glue, eyebrows, anything else that's like random Danessa eye base, just eye bases and stuff like that in here. This has some bronzers. This is mainly a bronzer drawer, except we have lip scrubs and one blush in here. This is usually more full, but I was able to move some of the bronzers into another drawer. And then in here we have some highlights and shimmers. So I have some ColourPop lid, a Becca highlighter, a Fenty highlighter, and then some other random little highlighters. This is full of blushes and highlighters, so I have all sorts of blush products in here and other highlighting products. I just feel like this is kind of chaotic and heavy to move, so I really want to be able to move that into those Alex drawers. And then we have a Bobbi Brown thing in this really old-fashioned MAC box, and it has like this collection of lip glosses. I like finished this one because it was so good. This is in the shade Just Superb for all my MAC babies. This has more little mini lip products. So I have mini Kylie's, I have mini Bite Beauty, I have mini NARS. So these are all my miniature lip products that I keep in here for travel. And then in this drawer, I have sanitary stuff for when I do people's makeup. So spoolies, lip products, a little eyeliner things that are disposable and I can just throw away whenever I use them on someone. This has my eyebrow gel, makeup remover, and then Suva Beauty and any loose glitters or anything like that in them. They all go in this drawer, and these are just container store like shoe. I have a little section down here on this moving cart, and it's like my charging station. So right now I'm charging my AirPods, but I can charge my phone while I'm doing this. If I want to do a live, I'll usually charge my camera here. And then all my lights, so my ring lights and everything are all plugged in down there. That way it is all just in one section and it makes it really easy for me. But that pretty much is the tour of my makeup studio. It's not super crazy. I got my lights on Amazon. If you guys want to see them again, here they are. This is what I look at every morning or night when I'm filming. So I have 2 umbrella lights on this side and this side, and 1 ring light. Oh my gosh, it was trying to make it better, so it got really dark and all you could see was the light bulbs. But I really like the lighting. I'm definitely used to it. I think it's funny whenever I do something in front of bright lights, people are like, the lights are gonna be really bright. And I'm like, I promise I'm fine, because I literally have 3 ginormous lights every morning. If I get ready, I have them on. I just do my makeup like that now, and I love them. I adore them. So yeah, I really like my studio. It's definitely my little happy place. I'm excited to be able to start to organize things a bit more now that I'm home from college and I can kind of separate stuff. I would really like to figure out my lip products, because those I just don't even know. I just kind of throw them in that jar. After I use them, if I don't have a designated spot, in the jar they go. Like, I don't even know. So I need to figure that out and maybe organize them a bit better. So if you have any ideas, or if you have like a makeup artist who has a really nice studio and you're like, hey, she has a really good aesthetic for this, like you should look into it, you can tag her video in the comment section. I'd love to watch it. I love organization. I love organization videos. So the reason why I was like, you know what, I think I actually will post this, because the reason why I'd been holding off for so long, even though so many people were asking for it, is because I was like, but it's not organized. Like, it's nothing special. And the reason why I was like, you know what, I am gonna do this is because I wanted to edit this and upload this, and then in a few months or a few years be able to look back on it and see how much either my collection has changed, how much better at organizing I've gotten, or just seeing it from a different perspective, and to see kind of, this is not nearly what I started out with. This is 6 years of collecting makeup, loving makeup, being involved in the community and doing that, and reviewing videos and stuff for you guys, and putting my heart and soul into this and creating my studio and my safe and happy place. So this definitely isn't the start of it. This isn't where I came from. This is 6 years into it, but I wanted to see in a year or 2 more years, you know, where it could go and what my studio could look like from then on, and how much better at organizing, hopefully, I have gotten. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, beauties. This is what my makeup looks like after a full day of wearing a mask and coaching basketball. But I will say Miss Rare Beauty foundation held up. She held up. Okay. Okay, I need to go to bed. I need to edit this and go to bed. Love you. Bye, besties.